Hello dear students. Yesterday we learnt describe the things, pictures and events. Today we are going to learn describe the things, pictures and events. Part 2. Describe the following pictures in your words.
Hi, I am a telephone. I help you to talk with your friends and relatives. Hello, I am a birthday cake. My taste is sweet and yummy. I always give you happiness and pleasure on your birthday.
Very good. Match the pairs and write the pairs in given space. After matching pairs, use above words to describe given things. Make a word chain. शब्दसाखळी बनवा. Make a video on I want to tell you about my friend or mother or teacher. मला माझ्या मित्रमैत्रिणीबद्दल किंवा आईबद्दल किंवा शिक्षकांबद्दल बोलायचे आहे. या विषयावरील व्हिडिओ तयार करा व ग्रुपवर सेंड करा.